The Fox and the Grapes. Long, long ago, there lived a fox who loved to eat. One day, he was strolling through the woods. He came upon a grape orchard. There, he found a bunch of beautiful grapes hanging from a high branch. Grapes had never looked so good, and the fox felt very hungry. However, the grapes hung higher than the fox could reach. He backed up and took a running start and jumped. He did not get high enough. He went back to his starting spot and tried again. He almost got high enough this time, but not quite. Tried and tried, again and again, but just couldn't get high enough to grab the grapes. Finally, he gave up. As he walked away, he put his nose in the air and said, "I am sure those grapes are sour." Moral: it is easy to scorn what you cannot get.